Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. It's a little bit noisy, that's the helper there. And today, guys, we're at Copart again. We're picking another vehicle. We got a crazy good deal on a clean title Chevy Equinox 2006 model, and we even have a parts car for it to fix. Stay with us, okay, and let's see what we got now. Barney? Okay, that's the crazy mechanic of the group right here. He's mean, very mean. Yeah. Barney? Okay guys, so that's it right here. That's the damage, bumper. As I said, we have a parts car headlight. Okay, right here. We probably need to remove that one so we don't lose it on the highway, cause more damage to another vehicle. Fender will need to be replaced. Look at the tire. Tire is completely shot. Okay, probably that's why they wrecked it too. I believe it's from a bad tire. It just separated, fell apart. Most likely, it's possible that it has a bad control arm or strut, so we will inspect that at the shop. Okay, right here the side molding is missing. Okay, that's the whole piece. I'll show you on the other side. Inside, as you know, Equinox, they tend to get really dirty, but they're super easy to detail. We'll have a video to show you how to make that thing like brand new. Nothing is missing, which is important. All the buttons are in really good condition. Okay, right there, radio. So when things are missing, that's when it's a mess. Inside, oh, we have some Nightmare CD right here. Yeah, I hope it's a Nightmare car. Okay, inside, not bad at all. Okay, that's a little bit of a damage that we will not be able to actually switch from the parts car. That's something we'll have to fix. So we'll have a video about fixing that dent, make it look like new. And maybe even blend the bumper here, blend it so we don't have to paint the whole thing. Okay, we have spare tire here. And all the tires are shot on that thing. I mean, check those things out. Yeah, they're really bad. So now, let's pop the hood, guys, and see what's happening there, because that's when the complications usually start. Okay, wanna make sure he has oil, he has coolant, all that stuff. And nothing's hidden there. Okay. So first impression, good so far. Everything's here, the cover for the fuses, battery, coolant is full. Okay, it's where it's supposed to be. Let's check oil. Okay, it has oil. That's a good sign. Don't see any big leaks or anything like that, so we will attempt to start it now. Okay, and see if the battery is dead. So let's go ahead and see if that thing is going to start. Okay, you know that Chevy Equinox, Copart, they had a big scandal with the keys. So it looks like this key has been replaced. Okay, it has a very tight ignition. That's one thing to check if you buy a Chevy vehicle. Sometimes check the recalls. You will get 2 new free keys, replace the ignition and all that stuff, because they had problems with it. Well, already works, that's a good sign. Okay, let's see if it's going to start now. Wow, fired right up. Okay, let's see. So far no warning lights at all. All we have to do is just change the oil. That's a maintenance light right there. Okay, I'm just curious to see if the AC works on that thing. Yeah, awesome. Ice cold AC. Alright, let's see manuals. When you sell a car, guys, people always ask about manuals, even though you can get them online for free most of the times. It has the manual book, so that's a big plus. I think it's a hell of a deal. Okay, so let us know what you guys think. We'll be rebuilding it, and many more videos to come soon. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.